3, 2, 1.
So when you get your Alinker, this is the seat that it comes with. You open the handle and you take the seat in, out, or you put it back in. Now that you've got an angled seat post, which I will show in a minute, what you need to do is take this seat off. So you open those screws, both, and then from the seat. That's phase one.
Go.
So this is the angled seat post that goes in like so, and then you straighten it out and tighten that so that it's a little bit more, so that it's tight and it doesn't move anymore. This is the buckle that it comes with, and you open up one side, take the ring and the bolt off, you put this like so, and you put this back on, oops, like that. You can still move that over, and then you're gonna mount that on the seat pen, and then you can fasten it with the wrench that we supplied with it. So you open it up, or you have the wrench that has the right size already. It's 1/2 inch wrench if you don't want to use this one. And now you can move it either up or down, and you can see how much the seat gets lower than is possible on the small Alinker as it is original. So if you have the seat lowered down, of course the distance to the steering gets too far. What you can do is you open those two screws with a 5mm Allen key, and you can take the steering off and you can flip it around, and then you tighten that. Tight is tight. Make sure the steering is aligned with the wheels. You can open those 4 little screws. It's all very versatile, and you just have to mess around a little bit with it to see when it is perfect for you. You can move the steering like this, or you can take those off and put the whole steering around. So take those 4 screws completely out. You might actually want to do this before you flip the steering around, because it's easier. I did that wrong. Little blooper on my part, but you know, as Tanya says, it's good to show the bloopers. So it's very versatile. You can turn this around like this, put the steering bar on, or you can turn it like this, open this screw, and then you can move this up. This is movable, and you can put it like this, for example. Let's put it up like this for now. And then you can tighten that one. Put the steering like so. And put this whole thing back into place. So this part is versatile. Put this back on, and you can tighten those 4 little screws. It means you can lift it up. Don't over tighten them. And then this one You have to tighten nicely, and then you can tighten those, making sure they're aligned with the wheels. Again, tight is tight. And there you go. Off you go.
So one thing you want to keep an eye out for is take your arms, put them right against your body, lift up your elbows so your elbows are tucked into your body, and your fingertips should just touch the ends of the handlebar. That will make it feel very like the right distance for you when you go to put your hands on there. But it feels very comfortable when you bring your arms to your side, you lift your hands up, and my fingertips are touching, and that'll feel very comfortable to be able to move forward.
And off she goes. So here's Tanya.
Hi.
And Tanya is quite small. It doesn't fit on a small Alinker at all. And so we have adjusted the seat to be a little bit lower on the angled seat pen. We have changed the steering backwards. Make sure the brake cable is free, so it comes around on the left side to the brake. So Tanya will demonstrate now how this actually fits.
Much better.
Much better? Okay. How does that feel, Tanya?
Oh.
On the small, this is the first time actually you are on an Alinker. Now it fits. You're about 25 inseam?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.